Something powerful is stirring. A divine visitation is about to sweep across the nations. Get ready for an encounter that will change your life forever. The event is coming up this November 2025 at any Global Crusade location nearest to you with the international evangelist, Dr. William Kumui, from Thursday 27th to Tuesday December 2nd, 2025.
God is still on the throne. He loves his people. He is eager to send revival more than we're even praying unto him. Revival is coming. And I believe it will start with you.
The crusade will cater to the needs of youths, young adults, church workers, and ministers. Pastor William Kumui will lead the morning sessions to teach and equip all leaders, church workers, government officials, and community leaders after a vibrant worship session. The theme for the Ministers and Church Workers Conference, Receiving and Retaining Revival Fire. In the evenings, there will be a general revival session for all, with the theme, Supernatural Cure and Cleansing Through Christ. It will feature healing, miracles, deliverance, full gospel of salvation, with special choir ministration by different church choir groups and gospel musicians. The youths and young adults will be thrilled to an empowerment impartation session on Saturday, the 29th of November, 2025. The session is specifically for students, school teachers, youths who are in or out of school, and youth leaders as well as young adults. It will feature success and career talks where youths are made for an extraordinary impact, building their leadership, advocacy, and social impact skills to make a change. Ministering is Dr. William Kumui, the convener of GCK. Come and experience the power of God through His Word, praise and worship with supernatural manifestation of the Holy Spirit. Do not miss the opportunity to receive a miracle from God.
GCK, gospel to every creature.